Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Pomona local and long-distance movers near me. As a licensed moving company with over 20 years of experience, the quality of our work is unmatched. Give us the responsibility for every step of the moving process, from packing to loading up the truck we provide to unpacking, so that you have less to worry about. We'll be right on time, ready to work hard to get the move done as quickly as possible, letting you enjoy your new home or office sooner. You'll also know from the very start the total cost of moving with a free quote we provide you. Living in a faraway place can be quite the challenge. Starting a new job, finding a new school for the kids, and learning the ins and outs of your new neighborhood is a daunting task. Don't let packing and moving your belongings interrupt your big plans. We have plenty of experience moving customers out of state, coast to coast, as well as internationally. We can make the whole process less complicated by storing your things with packaging designed to protect your belongings for a long-distance trip and using our trucks to get to wherever you need to go. Local moves come with their own set of difficulties. Even though your new home or office might be just a short drive away, that doesn't mean packing and unpacking is going to be trouble-free if you try to do it all by yourself. Let us do the heavy lifting for you. Our expert movers can move you locally within just a few hours. By the end of the moving day, you'll be all set to celebrate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pomona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.